Dermot Weld needs no introduction. He is a world-renowned racehorse trainer who started his life, I'm very proud to say, as a student in the veterinary school here in UCD. It would not be unusual for Dermot to attend a 9 o'clock lecture in the Belfield campus and subsequently then to travel at some speed in a student-type car down to Killarney for an afternoon race. On one occasion, a classmate has told me that the two, including Dermot in the car, were stopped by a guard in Abbeyfield. Having been told that Dermot was heading down to race, he was also a very successful amateur jockey. And having been told the name of the horse, the two were let go on their way. Dermot won the race, only to be stopped on the return journey by the same guard, who was most distraught because he had forgotten the name of the horse that Dermot had told him he was riding, and the odds were 16-1. Abroad, he has won huge numbers of classic and other predominant races, including those with names such as Oaks, Derby, Cesarewitch, the Hong Kong International Mile, and most notably the Melbourne Cup.
But Vintage Crop has got him. Vintage Crop, the Irish horse will win the Melbourne Cup. Vintage Crop, 2 lengths to Yarkow. Nick just held second. Mercator flashed up for third.
The relationship Dermot Weld has with the veterinary school here in UCD has been an avid supporter of ours throughout the years, and I'd like to thank him on this occasion very much for all that support.